the first thing that I want to start with is don't touch these fields unless you have something very specific and you want the AI to follow. If you don't know, these two fields are the main fields that is sent to the AI to tell them how they should respond to this specific roleplay. So for each model you have system prompt, which is main prompt here, while post history instructions is extra instructions after the history of the chat. These two fields are the main fields that when it comes to roleplay, every single platform must have these ones to make the AI or the language model to be a roleplay partner. Here, if you did decide to touch this field to add something, I'll say it over and over. If you want to add them, they will override the main system prompt and post system instruction of the user they already established to their AI model to start role playing with them. So touch this field only if you want to add extra instructions or to make a very different responses that unlike other usual responses and role playing. And if you want to add extra instructions, make sure, and you have to make sure to add original here. Then you can put your extra instructions here. If you didn't add this one and you decided to put the extra instructions only, this will override the prompts of the user and you will override the entire rubric system of a user. So to prevent something like this from happening, you should make sure to put this placeholder. Then you can add your extra instructions after the original. Or you can, as I said, you want a very specific, entirely different way of dealing or interacting, or you have advanced system prompts that is better than, let's say, most of system prompts. You can simply write the entire prompt here. Or if you don't want to do this and you want to just add extra instructions, but original, and you add your extra instruction, and the same goes here. Some people tend to miss this and they mess everything up. Okay, so whenever you want to add extra instructions, just make sure to add this placeholders and add your extra instructions, or write your own instructions to your own character card. Nothing more to say. These two are near the same. So basically, main prompt is the system that runs the responses, while post instruction is the instructor of how you should make the AI respond to user message. There are some things, but it's exclusive for SillyTavern, like this depth rule, and these are advanced things the same as to activeness. These things aren't important here, and I will explain them, don't worry, but in advanced videos. I know this is an advanced video, but it's an advanced video in different way. So this is everything for today, guys. Yeah, I hope to see you in other videos. See ya!